Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about the technique that no one talks about. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. And before we get into it, you are more than welcome to enroll in my Perfect Self-Concept course. This is a course that goes into depth, into detail about attaining a perfect self-concept, but not only that, maintaining it as well. This is exactly what I did to have a perfect self-concept and have impenetrable confidence and able to manifest anything that I want instantly. So if you are interested, just go on ritakaminski.com/courses or click on the first link in the description box down below. I intend for this video to change your absolute life for the best. And with that, let's get into it. Out of all of the techniques that I have done, this is the one that not many people talk about here on YouTube or TikTok. And it's one that has really greatly given me a lot of the things that I have now, including financial freedom, manifesting my dream job at the time, manifesting more YouTube views. This is what I did, and it was so much fun. You can do this for anything. You can do this to manifest your SP, to manifest a house, whatever you want. You pick a time of the day where you are absolutely not distracted by anyone else. Place yourself in a comfortable position in darkness, get an eye mask, cover your eyes, put your headphones in, maybe listen to some subliminals, but that part is on you. You just want to get into the state where you're basically in the void, meaning you don't really know where you are and you're not bothered by anyone. You are getting into a meditative state, but don't think about it like that. You just want to be not distracted and only have one thing to focus on, and that is your desire. I want you to close your eyes if you don't have an eye mask and think about the thing that you want. So let's say, for example, we are manifesting financial freedom. We are free form imagining, or if you can't visualize, going on a rampage of what it would be like if you were financially free. So this is the fun part. This isn't something that is scheduled or scripted or set in stone. You can freeform visualize or rampage until the 10-minute mark, or you can go on for longer. I like doing 10 minutes and you have fun with it. What would your life be like if you were financially free? So the way that I did this to manifest financial freedom was close my eyes and visualize myself going on first class with my family or with my SP, with my friends, and traveling anywhere that I want to go. I imagined myself being able to right now buy a ticket to Paris and be on a first class ticket flight to Paris the next day. I imagine myself buying all of the Birkin bags that I desire, everything that I desire, getting eyelash extensions, getting my hair done whenever I want, doing like skincare, doing beauty procedures like, red light therapy, being able to buy any clothes that I want, not having to answer to anyone, so being completely and ultimately free. And I just kept going on and on while visualizing this, and I didn't force myself. It just naturally came into my mind because I was having fun with it. I was playing make-believe because that gives you less resistance. You're able to just say, if I did have this thing, how would it be like? And it's more of a fun and playful energy as opposed to let me close my eyes and know that in this reality right now I am financially free. So you get super excited, and the thing that I noticed with this is it opened that realm of possibility for me. So if once before I couldn't even imagine a financially free life because I didn't even think about it because I was so in my 3D reality, now I'm like, oh, this is a possibility. I imagine myself being financially free, and like, if I can envision it and I'm getting really excited about it, then it could possibly happen for me. And it just started becoming a possibility. It just started becoming something that I saw in my mind's eye. So I was like, if I can see it, then there is a reality where I do have it. And I started playing with that energy, and it would just really excite me. So I would end off the meditation euphoric, like so excited about the future. And what ended up happening from that point is I would follow my inspired action in each and every single moment, which led me to financial freedom in a couple of weeks. And it was back in a time where I wasn't 100% believing in the law of assumption, but I was having a lot of fun closing my eyes and visualizing this financial freedom. And then going about my life and following my happiness. So my higher self led me to that financial freedom. And it was easy for me because I already saw it in my mind play out, and I already was assuming that it could be a possibility for me. So it happened really easily and quickly. I really encourage you to also try this method out. It is basically just a visualization / rampage method for 10 minutes. If you have a lot of fun with it, you can do it in the morning and the evening to bookmark your days. Let me know how it goes in the comments down below and what you are currently manifesting right now. I love you all so much. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.